Hi, my name is Luis Anderson. I'm going to talking about quantum physics for you today. Quantum physics is a subject a little bit complicated. Well, lots of people complicate it because they think it's very difficult only for scientists and things like that. But that is not. Everyone can understand. If you understand how the universe works, your life is going to be brilliant because you can manifest so many things in your life. You can bring a lots of things to your life, good things to your life. Because by the experiments in the laboratory, the scientists uh, got the answer, you know, talking about atoms. You know, the atoms is everything, is the small particle in this planet, and the atoms create everything. It look like a little blocks where they start to build up everything. Everything you have, like your car, your house, yourself, the universe, entire universe, all are made by atoms. And that's why I'm going to talking today. Atoms. The atoms, by the experiment in the laboratory, they find out the atoms behave according to your thoughts and feelings. And what is happening? Everything happening in your life today, you are responsible for that. Why you are responsible for that? Because by your thoughts and by your feelings, you're creating things in your life. And the things will be manifest on your life. If you know or not, that's what is happening. That's the way the universe works. Vibrations, feelings, because our thoughts creating things. If you have a negative thoughts, you creating bad things. If you have a bad feelings, you're creating bad things to your life. And you are responsible. As soon as you change that thoughts and feelings, as soon as you do that, instantly your life start to change. It's the same thing like you have a radio. If you go to the dial of the radio and turn for 92, you are 92 frequency, okay? When you turn it to 100, you change it already. It's the same thing. Your life, it can be bad at the moment. You can doing everything goes wrong in your life, but if you start to change your thoughts and your feelings, you know, your life will start changing instantly, like the dial in the radio. Why I say that? Because most of the time when you think, most of the people, they think negatively. And oh, I don't have no money. Oh, my bank account is like this. Oh, this and that. Do you understand? Oh, I never get it. This when you say never, that's what's happened for you. You creating things. You need to be careful what you say to the universe, because your mouth, when you say things, when you think things, when you feel things, you creating. You need to be aware about that. I open your eyes today about that because I really want you change your life. How long gets to you change your life? Now. You can change your life right now using that technique I tell you at the moment. If your life is so difficult at the moment, maybe you're facing for so many problems, for so many difficulties in life, things not going right, things going wrong for you. You don't find your soulmate, you don't find a good job, you don't have a lots of money, but this is only down to yourself, because maybe when you was a younger, you know uh, that things coming in your life, into your life, you will some people say something, and you will start to believe, that things happen. Or maybe they say, oh, you're never gonna be rich. Okay, and when you are young, you are more suitable to accept what people say, what the suggestion comes to your mind. Do you understand? And today I start to asking you, please get that technique and start to change your life overnight. Tonight your life can be changed. by changing your thoughts and your feelings. If you think negatively, change it for positive. If you always say, oh, I can't do it, you say, no, I do it, I can do it, I can do it. And that things are gonna happen in your life because you create everything. Every morning when you wake up, you creating things. You creating 24/7. If you not watch what you creating, that's what is happening in your life. And another things I need to tell you, what you need to do to make things happen in your life. Because the atoms don't know what is good, what is bad. If you think negatively, they'll create negative things for you. If you creating positive things, they'll give you positive things because the atoms behave the way you feel and the way you think. Do you understand? That is the secret that most of the people don't want to tell you. Because as soon as you start to change your vibration and you start to feeling happy all the time and you start to like you creating what you want, and after that you feel like you already receive it. You never ask anything because if you ask because you don't have it. When you don't have it, the atoms you're gonna create more things for you this. But if you thanks for what you have it, even you don't have it, you thanks because you already have it, that's what you get in more. If you say, oh, I asking my father, or pray, you're gonna pray, oh my father, give me more money, and that's what you're not gonna happen because you asking for more money, that's what's not gonna happen is opposite. You're not gonna get it, you're gonna get it no money. But when you thanks for the money is already in your account, when you thanks for the blessing you already have it, when you thanks for everything you receive it, that's why the atoms will create and bring it more for you. More you give, more you receive. Why? Because for example, talking about, for example, like in finance, okay, you have a debit and credit, okay. More you have helping people, more you giving to people, more you do good to people, more you smiling, giving good things to people, and more you're gonna receive because when you give it to people, do good things to people, you get the credit, and the person you do the good things get in debit. Okay? And the universe looks and say, look, that person is have so many credit. I need to give it more to them. When the universe fill with you with all the blessings, with all everything, what is happening? You getting credit in debit because you're receiving a lot of things, and after that you go and helping more people and giving more, and you get the credit again. And the universe will see, wow, I need to give it more for them because I need to make them be in debit because he has so many credit. And after that, they fuel you is more than what you get it. That's why all the religions say, oh, give it, okay, we don't expect anything because that's the behind of everything in the religions. The people say is that because everything you do good for somebody, you don't need to know what they're going to do with the money. You don't need to know what they're going to do, just help, just make the person bless, and you're gonna be blessed also. Do you understand? That is the principle. Thanks for everything all the time. If you thanks for the things, even you already don't have it. Maybe you want a car or a house or change or soulmate or whatever you want. You already thanks for what you want. Because if you thanks, you're gonna get it. But if you asking, oh, I want, that's not. And another things you do when you create what you want, after you create, you need to do action. You need to act. You need to go and find and find a way to make the things happen. Do your part. Do everything you can do to make that things happen. Okay? And after that, what is happening? You need to leave this. After you've done everything, you need to leave. Relax on that, okay? You're not gonna relax before you do the work to make the things happen. But after you did everything you could to make the things manifest, what you're going to do after that? You leave, do something else, and waiting until the universe brings the things to you. You don't need to know how. Don't worry about how. Will come to you. Could be today, tomorrow, or 1 month, or 1 year, or whatever. But you need to keep it faithful. You need to keep believing you already received that until you get it. That is the secret for you manifest the things in your life and change your life. It's not long time. You can do it now. Do you understand? It's a 5 minutes you already change your life. You know, you can change it now and started doing this now. And after that, you do it. You go to my website tradeforbeginners.com and leave a comment there, okay, for us. If you have any changes in your life, if my video helped you in anything, because I start to giving to you the secrets, what the people don't tell. They hide all the time. They keep it for themselves. That's no good. I am here in the Trading for Beginners to show you the truth and show you how you're gonna do it. All the time you're gonna get the best information and the secret information that they don't know, they don't want you to know. Okay, I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for you. Let me know if something changed in your life. I'm really interested for that. Okay, to see you very happy, to see your life change, to see things change in your life.